So for number 1, find the slope. What's the slope? Just the -3. The number that multiplies the x is the slope. Now for number 2, how do we find the slope? I call this point 1 and point 2. -11 minus 7 over 3 minus -5. This would be a -18 over +8. So it's a -9 over 4. And then this one, we've got 2 points there and there. We're going down 3 over 4, so it's a -3/4. Questions on 1, 2, or 3? Number 4. Remember, when we're asked to find the equation, there's 2 things we got to find. What's the slope? We're going from here to here, which means we're going up how many? 3 and over 2. So it's a 3 over 2. It's positive because it's going up as we move from left to right. We need the y-intercept, which is going to be 3. So that makes the equation y equals the slope, 3 over 2 times x. It's a +3, so +3 is the y-intercept. Sliding on down to number 5. Again, we find the slope where we're going from here to here. We are going down 1 and then over 2, right? That's a -1/2. Y-intercept, is it a -1? So the equation, y equals -1/2 x minus 1. So the slope of -1/2 times x, and then the y-intercept is -1, -1. Over here, let's start with number 6. This one's already in y equals form, so we can go ahead and graph it just as it is. Where will we start? -3 is our y-intercept, so we go down 1, 2, 3. So there's our first point. From that point, we go, our slope of 2/3, we go up to over 3. So again, this isn't there. The line just goes through those 2 points. So that's number 6. Number 7 requires a wee bit of work. So 5x minus 3y equals 6. We have to solve it for y. So we have to get y here by itself. To do that, we need to get rid of everything else. How do we get rid of the 5x? Well, it's positive, so we're going to, it is a +5. Remember, the symbol before it goes with that number. So we got to subtract 5x. So that's gone. We've got -3y equals 6 minus 5x. And then we will divide by -3. So -3 is gone. Y equals 6 divided by -3. -2. Now a negative 5x divided by negative 3. Negative divided by negative is a positive. 5 divided by 3 is just 5 over 3 x. So where are we going to start out when we graph this thing? Negative 2, which is right here. From there, we're going to go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, that's not there. Our line goes through those points. So that's number 7. Number 8 requires a wee bit more of work. Is number 8 a line? No, why not? There's a power on the variable. There's an exponent in the variable. So the only way we can graph this one is to make a table. So I'm just going to pick some values. Say x is negative 2. What's y have to be? Well, negative 2 squared is 4 minus 4, 0. If x is negative 1, what's y? Well, negative 1 squared is 1 minus 4, negative 3. What if x is 0? What's 0 squared? 0, 0 minus 4, negative 4. How about if x is 1? 1 squared is 1 minus 4, negative 3. And if x is 2, what's 2 squared? 4 minus 4, 0. So what that gives us is we have points. This is the point negative 2, 0. So it's negative 2, 0. Remember, when we're plotting points, we go side to side first, then up to down. When we graph, we go up and down first, and then side to side. So it's kind of backwards. This gives us the point negative 1, negative 3. So negative 1, negative 1, negative 3 is right there. 0, negative 4. Oops, that is not what I wanted. Negative 4 would be down one more. 1, negative 3, there's 1 and negative 3, and 2, 0. It's like that. So that gives us kind of a U shape like that. What do you think? Better than a sharp stick in the eye? If you get done with the quiz, in the packet I just passed out, we're looking at pages 221 through 224, 1 through 55, the odds. These are actual machining-related questions. Bless you. Actual machining-related formulas where you're given some numbers and asked to solve. This would be stuff that you would pull directly out of the machinist handbook. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these problems that we're going to be encountering in the packet here, just to see what they're like. You'll notice, even on 221, there's just solving the equations. There are some things that we haven't seen yet, like number 21. Number 21, we have b over 2 cubed plus 34 equals 42. Now, remember we asked what's been done to the variable here. What was done to b in order to create this equation? Well, the first thing that happened is b, since it's in parentheses, was divided by 2, right? Then it was to the power of 3, and then the 34 was added to it. So to take this apart, we've got to go backwards. We've got to reverse that process. So the first, subtract 34. Very good. So we've got b over 2 cubed is left. 42 minus 34 is 8. Now, how do we undo cubed? The third power, we undo it by doing the third root. So that cancels that out, leaving us with b over 2. The third root of 8 is 2. 2 to the third power equals 8. And then finally, to get rid of dividing by 2, we will multiply by 2. So b equals 4. And you can double check it. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 to the third power is 8. 8 plus 34 is 42. Other things we might run into. So I don't want to do the best ones. Yes, we are recording this. Let's do one like number 27. Number 27, 8.12p squared plus 6.83p plus 5.05 equals 16.7p squared plus 6.83p. Now there is a major issue here. We have both p squared and p in this equation. We cannot solve an equation that has both the variable squared and the variable, at least not with our standard methods that we've been using. There's something called quadratic equations, which we can solve by factoring, but that's not something we know how to do yet. So when we run into this, we're going to try to simplify it as much as we can and see if anything cancels out and disappears and makes it simpler and more possible for us to solve it. So here I've got a p squared on each side. I'm going to get rid of one of them. I'm going to get rid of this one's the smaller one. So I'm going to subtract 8.12p squared. So over here I still have the 6.83p plus 5.05 equals 16.7 minus 8.12 is 8.58 p squared. Now I want to get rid of the p. There's a p on each side. I'm going to get rid of 1. I subtract 6.83p. And I notice that it's the same on both sides. When I subtracted it, it disappears. That's what I was hoping for. One of them is now gone. Now it is possible to solve. Now if I look at this, p has been squared, and then it was multiplied by 8.58. So to solve it, we are going to divide by 8.58 first. So 5.05 divided by 8.58 gives us an ugly decimal. We're going to call it 0.589 for now. Notice I left it in my calculator. I didn't clear it because now we're going to square root this. That's going to give us just p here. In my calculator, I'm going to do second square root, second answer. So just square root that previous answer. So 0.767 is p. What do you think? Good stuff? So like I said, page 221 through 224. If you do the odds there, like I said, make sure you get up to some of those that have the pictures of the formulas, like starting on page 222, because those are actual machining formulas. I'll let you guys have the last 15 minutes to work on.